Judge grants furlough for South Dakota teen convicted in d.eadly c.rash to walk at graduation. A Sioux Falls teen who pleaded guilty to manslaughter and other charges after a deadly 2017 crash that killed another teenage boy may walk at his high school graduation to receive his diploma. And friends and family of 15-year-old victim Kareem Cisse think it's denying justice to their lost loved one. Alex Lingor, 17, who pleaded guilty to manslaughter and other charges in February, was granted a furlough by Second Circuit Court Judge Bradley Zell last week, according to friends and family of Cisse. A message saying the furlough was granted for a few hours on graduation day from a state advocate to a family member of Cisse, who was killed in the 2017 crash for which Lingor was charged, was shown to the Argus Leader. More than a dozen people gathered Monday afternoon in front of the Minnehaha County Administration Building downtown to walk along Minnesota Avenue carrying signs that said things like, "Justice for Casey and wrong time for celebration." "It's not right," said Cisse family friend Andre Jordan, who coordinated the demonstration. "Kareem's mom is still grieving. It's like a spit in her face." Jordan said he plans to walk up and down Minnesota Avenue every day until the school district's graduation day, Sunday, June 3. All of the public schools' graduation ceremonies will be held that day, at different times, in the Sioux Falls arena. "The district is aware of the concern and continues to look into the matter," said Sioux Falls School District Deanne Conrad in an email Monday afternoon. The district provides 2 full-time teachers and 1 educational assistant at JDC, according to JDC's website. Students attend class from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Monday through Friday during the school year, and can attend remedial classes during the summer. Attorneys for Lingor said they couldn't comment on a pending case. Jordan Rantle was a student at Roosevelt when the crash happened. She knew Cisse, who attended Washington High School, through her brother. "I think it's crazy," she said of the furlough. "If he, Lingor, goes to graduation, I'd be worried." Randall was especially sparked by the decision because her family faced a similar situation. Her brother, David Randall, Jr., was sentenced in 2016 to 15 years in prison for manslaughter after an accidental shooting killed his friend Michaela Shame. He requested a furlough for his grandmother's funeral and was denied. The same judge that denied her brother's furlough granted Lingor's, she said. "Kareem didn't get to graduate," she said. "I came out here because he deserves justice." Lingor pleaded guilty in February to manslaughter, aggravated assault and possession with intent to distribute marijuana. Lingor was charged in February 2017 to more than 15 charges after the truck he was driving forced a sedan off the road during a chase spurred by a drug rip reached speeds of over 80 miles per hour. The truck hit the sedan at least once, crashing it into a tree. A passenger in the sedan, Cisse, died in the crash. Cisse was in the vehicle with 2 others when they agreed to meet up with Lingor to buy about $25 worth of marijuana. The car in which Cisse was a passenger took off without paying, and Lingor chased them. Lingor was 16 at the time of the crash. He was tried as an adult, and was lodged at the Juvenile Detention Center. Lingor is scheduled to be sentenced in June. Follow Danielle Ferguson on Twitter at DonnieFergs.